Thank you, brother. Is that everything? Yeah, sound. Any old iron, any old scrap iron, any old cooker, any old washer. Ooh. Any old iron, any old scrap iron, any old cooker, any old washer. You right, mate?
Is it okay for you?
Yeah, that's all good.
Yeah? That's the helium tank, I don't know what it is.
Yeah, I can take that. Is that everything?
Or just metal you're interested in?
Yeah, just metal.
Oh, okay, no worries. I think that's everything, mate.
Alright, Sam, brother.
No worries. Cheers.
See ya. Let's have a look. What? Is it plastic or metal?
No, I have a...
Oh, radiator. Yeah, I can take that.
Yeah.
Is that it?
Yeah, I have a fish,
Let's see.
and
Oh, yeah.
car seat,
Yeah, I
and
can.
this chair also.
That's wood. That is. Can't take that.
Oh.
I can take the pushchair
Yeah.
and these bits.
Yeah.
But the car seat's just so plastic trampoline.
Yeah.
Yeah, I can take it, but I'll have to chop it down. Sorry, it's a bit loud, isn't it? Any old iron, any old scrap iron, any old cooker, any old washer, any old car battery, any old car parts, any old bike, any old scooter, any old metal. You alright, mate?
Yeah, I don't know nothing cold today.
Hey?
I don't know nothing cold.
Yeah?
I've never done this if you want, but...
No, it's alright, I'll just take this, mate. Alright, sound.
Yeah, buddy.
Thank you very much, buddy.
Yeah, cheers.
See ya. Is it all metal?
Well, I think so.
I think there's wood on it, isn't there?
Isn't it?
Oh no, there's wood on it there.
Hey?
There's wood on it.
It's what?
Wood, see these bits?
Yeah.
That's all wood.
No good to you.
No, because it's like, I could knock the wood off and take the metal.
Yeah, do that.
Yeah?
I don't want it.
Yeah, let me get a sledgehammer then and I'll knock the wood off.
Where are we going to put that? Can't you do it when you get to your end?
I can't take the wood, that's what I'm saying.
Oh, okay.
I can only take the metal.
I just want it, can't I?
Yeah. Now the wood's off, this is light as a feather.
Oh, fucking hell.
It's a shame. Do you want any help with the wood? Clearing it up?
That?
No, these little bits here.
I'll do that. Can't you get that out?
What's that?
This.
It's stuck, innit?
They've got in.
Roots holding it in. Thank you.
Thanks, Pat.
No problem. Alright, maybe see you in a week or so if it's any good. What's happening, everyone? Hope you enjoyed that footage I've just shown you. I didn't capture it all yesterday, but here's the total of what I got. Shearing, I went in with 260 kilograms at a rate of £185 a tonne, and that paid £48.10p. Electric motors, I went in with 4 kilogram, a rate of £6.70 a tonne, that paid £2.68. Aluminium wheels with tyres, I went in with 15 kilograms at a rate of £650 a tonne, that paid £9.75. Old roll aluminium, I went in with 7 kilograms at a rate of £930 a tonne, that paid £6.51. And VIR household cable, I went in with 1 kilogram at a rate of £2,350 a tonne, and that paid £2.35. And the total of it all was £69.39. So not bad for a few hours after the scrapyard yesterday. Hope you enjoyed it. I'll see you on the next one.